Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have a new video for you all. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and book a hotel room on booking.com. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply start our video. For that matter, first of all, what you gotta do is simply go ahead and install this booking.com app in your mobile phone, and then go ahead, open it up. Once you open it up, you can see this in the search option, enter your location, and once you're done entering your location, your date, and your room, a home, like for room for adults or for children, once you're done choosing them, go ahead, tap on the search option, and this will show you all of the options. And then you can see here in the highlighted red option, you can see this free cancellation, no repayment needed. This is basically good deals for you. You don't have to pay in, like you don't have to prepay. That is good for you. Even if you cancel, make sure to check no repayment needed, prepayment needed, and free cancellations option. And once you're done choosing your particular place, go ahead, tap on that, and then you will be able to find the photos of the rooms of basically the place you're gonna stay. You can see the amounts as well, and then you will find this no credit card needed, so basically you don't have to prepay. Then that's a good deal. And you can go ahead, check out your location as well. Once you're done, you can see all of this ratings as well. Once you're done, tap on this select, the option will be given below. You can go ahead, recheck your rooms information. Once you're done with everything, you can go ahead, tap on this reserve option. That way you will be able to reserve your particular room right there from booking.com. So yes guys, this is basically it. I hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys for our next video.